Must watch Stellar XLM holder, otherwise you completely, my brother, lost, because you can see here this time the XLM completely falls down. You can see here from last 24 hours also result will be gonna equal, but this time you can see here the current condition is gonna be very bad. So let's see. I talk about the prediction to upcoming time. They moving upward, the price is increase or decrease, and what's the target, my brother? What's the target? So let's start the Stellar XLM holder, but kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and select all option for notification to every stock channel update you every time. Thank you so much for everyone. The last 7 days chart is on the screen. First of all, I predicate this, and after this I gonna show you the latest of that. You can see, my brother, first of all, if I draw, my friends, the two lines, then we understand, my friends, to upcoming times they move upward or they falls down. So let's see. I draw the chart, my friends. So you can see, my friends, they falls down after a jump. After a jump they falls down, you can see here, and after a fails they take a jump again. Now you can see they completely moving in this circulation, so it's mean to after this fails they take a long jump. So kindly holder, don't sell it at the current condition, the current time, because after this fails they also take a very good jump. So it's mean, my friends, to upcoming times they moving upward. So kindly don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. 7% they moving upward in the last 24 hours. So if we check out, my friends, the latest update of the last 1 hour to what's going on, then we understand, my friends. So at the current time they moving upward or falls down. So you can see, my friends, this time the last 1 hour chart is on the screen, and the change occurs will be negative, minus 4.04%. they falls down just in only in the last 1 hour. You can see here they completely fell. So what's the main reason? The reason is that, my friends, especially the short-term investors starting selling and they falls down. And I hope, my friend, after this fell, they again starting moving upward. They again go in the moon. So the price is also going very fastly, my friend, increase now 0.7%. USD dollar, my friend, is the latest price. I hope, my friends, they will hit $1 USD just in only at the end of this month if they're starting moving upward, if the change occur is gonna be positive. So thanks for watching. All holder, kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope the price will increase now just in only in a very short time. Kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.